Hello, my name is yuwen, and today I'm presenting my career passport reflective videos. In these videos, I will share my learning journals, educating the skills I have development, and my plan for the future. Uh, First, as my mission to at the beginning, my name is yuwen, and I'm majoring in management, and I choose curtain because the lectures are very responsible and the university provides the multicultural environment, and there are plenty of internship opportunities that prepare us for our future careers. I decided to study management because it is broad and versatile field. It covers areas such as leadership, strategy, human resource, and cross-cultural management. More importantly, the skill I gained like project management, teamwork, conflict solution, and the strategy thinking are useful in almost any industry. And the purpose of my presentation today is to reflect on my junior acting, share the lessons I have learned from both studies and experience, and present my care plan along with the message to my future self. Next is follow in my introduction. I would now like to reflect on the employability tours that I completed to similar one, and again in similar 12, and the comparison clearly showed how my skills developed over time. At first, my strengths were mainly in communication, teamwork, and having learning mid-sight, and while my weaknesses were in carrying identity and learning leadership operation. By the end of the semester, I could see the real improvement in leadership, problem solving, and self-efficacy. For this tour, I gained great self-awareness, and in the field areas they need more long-term focus. It also helped me to understand the importance of link survival with practice. The guardians I received were very practical, such as community to build a leadership, care, identity. I proving digital and emotional literacy and shaping the clearly career direction for the future. Next is after reflecting on the employability choice, I would also like to share my overall experience at the Curtin Universe, and I found the environment very positive with device opportunities that gave me both challenge and growth. Choosing management was definitely the right decision because it helped me to build leadership skills and develop strategy thinking. Looking back, I think I could have a major more clubs attendance, more network activities, and try to gain internship experience earlier. In terms of time management, I improved a lot of through planning and meeting deadlines. And although I also first stressed during peak semester, and overall I really enjoyed my time at Curtin. I built a great friendship, and I culture as well as academic exposures were very valuable in further future. I may consider a postgraduate study later, and but my focus for now is to start my career and gain practical experience. Next is after reflective on my university juniors, and I thought carefully about the different career directions I could take. My audit plan included the three-main paths. The first is corporate management. I see myself joining a large companies and manage gaining broad experience for the rotating across departments and work my way up to manage a team and eventually reaching and mid-level management position. The second plan is consulting, which excites me because of the fast-paced environment and exposure to many industries. And my goal here would be to start as an analyst, build expertise through cross industry project and growth into senior roles and consult or project management. The path is entrepreneurship and would allow me to apply what I have learned to continue to design a business with the innovation and the social value. While each path is different, all of them would help me to develop leadership, problem solving, and some skills. Next is after share in my career plans. I would like to end with messages to my future self in the 5 years. I hope I will still to be focused on my long-term visions and wearing in step outside of my comfort zone. I want to remember the teamwork and the collaboration I experienced at Curtin and keep applying the leadership and the communication skill I learned here. And I also want to remind myself and balance ambitions with personal well-being and to keep learning and adapting to change. And most importantly, I would never forget why I chose management to my degree. And I must to be courageous in my making decisions and embracing new challenges along the way. Next is let me start with my first career path, and which is postgraduate studies in human resource management. And my goal here is to be continuous to developing in my experience in HR through the master's program. The steps include applying for the program, completing coursework and research project, and gaining practical experience through the internship and assistantship. At the same time, I plan to build a strong professional network in the HR introduced. And finally, after graduation, I hope to source a personal in an HR-related field where I can apply what I have learned to grow my career further. The last is after I leaving the messages to my future self. I would like to conclusion to my presentation by summarize to the key point. During my time at Curtin, I have growth in skills, confidence, and self-awareness. I have learned two important lessons from both coursework and to real experience, and I have become stronger in communication, teamwork, and leadership. I now have a clearly career direction with multiple possible pathway, and I understand the importance of balance, ambition with well-being, lifelong learning, and the adaptability will continue to be my core stress. Most importantly, I'm continue to follow my goal and values while also making positive impact in the future. Thank you for listening.